Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Mwaya. Right now I have a Land Cruiser of 1994. This vehicle has a problem with hard start. Let me put ignition on. So when I put ignition on, we have T-belt signal, diesel filter, oil, then battery, but we don't have the Chloe plug signal or heater plug. That signal is located here. Let me try again. So that one, it indicates that there is a problem with heater plug system. So let me try to start the vehicle. It has a lot of hard start. See, hard start. See, it has a hard start. Let's find out. Engine I'm talking about is a 6-inline engine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first thing is I'm going to use this tester. It's a 12-volt tester, halogen. So I'm going to use this tester to test the heating signal. As I told you earlier, this is the heater plugs. So the first thing is to measure if we have signal here on the heater plugs. So that one, I need to make sure the tester is on earth, negative terminal. Negative terminal, you need to test first. So the tester is working perfect. Then have already connected tester on the main heater supply. My tester is on the negative. Another wire of my tester is on the main heater. So I have to put ignition on. Put ignition on. Ignition is on, but there's no any sign of power on that pin. Put ignition off. Put ignition on. See, so the problem is heater. So we are going to track. Put ignition off. So we're going to follow this wire here, blacks to red, the heater wire here. This is the main heater wire, long plug. So that wire, this is the one I'm talking about. It's here, exactly. It's here. Or this is the main heater relay. See, this is the main heater relay. So the problem can be the relay or the control module, but according to this setup here, this relay, it functions as a control module. It has 3 type of function. Let me show you. This is the relay I'm talking about. So in this relay we have 4 pins. So these 2 pins, the first pin here, this is the main pin. Let's confirm. This is the main pin. Main, it means when the ignition is off, it still have power or input pin. Then we have the device. This pin goes to the glowing plugs or heater plugs. Then we have 2 pins here. The first pin is ignition. The second pin is earth. Put positive terminal to test the earth. See, earth is okay. See, so we have earth, we have constant. This is the device. So we are going to test the ignition. So I'm going to put ignition on. And if you want to test the ignition, make sure the tester is on the negative terminal. So put ignition on. So according to this setup, those signals are okay. So the main problem is the relay. According to this vehicle, the main problem is this relay, because we have all those signals. What I'm saying, if it is true, I have another relay here that I have plugged from another vehicle there. So I'm going to use that relay to test this vehicle here, because I have two of them. So I'm going to swap. This is the relay I'm saying that has already blown. So this is the new relay here. So I'm going to insert this relay. So this is the new relay. We need to test the heater plug signals. So I'm going to use this tester. Need to make sure the tester is on a negative terminal. Let me test first. It's working perfect. So this is the new relay. Let's confirm. Put ignition on. See, it's working perfect. After 30 seconds, it automatic disconnect. Yeah, almost. Okay, it already disconnected. Put ignition on. So let me put ignition on. Exactly, this is what I've been talking about. After around 30 seconds, yes, it's already disconnected. So meaning the main problem here is the relay. So here the main problem is this relay. So ignition is on for a few seconds. Packed. So let me try to start. Half kick. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.